Namaste. In this lecture, we are going to have a brief look at some important classes and interfaces which are used in servlets. The first class I am going to discuss is PrintWriter class. See, PrintWriter class is in the package java.io. It extends the class writer. It is used to print a response on the browser. For example, in order to declare an object of the PrintWriter class, you will have to take the help of another method called getWriter. And what I will do is PrintWriter out is equal to response.getWriter. Now this name out could be anything. So what is response? Response is an object of HttpServletResponse. This is an interface. Okay, then once we have created the object for the PrintWriter class, we can go for this print or println method. So this will be sent to the browser, like hello, this is Mahajan computers, will be sent to the browser and it will be printed on the browser screen. HttpServlet class. This class extends the generic servlet class. It implements serializable interface. It offers HTTP specific methods like doGet, doPost, etc. Don't worry, we will be dealing with doGet, doPost, etc. in our subsequent lectures. Then we come to this interface, HttpServletRequest interface. This is an interface that extends servlet request interface. It is present in javax.servlet.http package. This interface gets data from the client to the server for use in the HTTP servlet service method. Now we will talk about HttpServletResponse interface. This is an interface that extends servlet response interface. It is present in javax.servlet.http package. You can see this interface is present in the same package as HttpServletRequest. It is sort of mirror image of request object. The response object is where the servlet can write information about the data it will send back. So whatever data is going to be sent back, that will be written onto the request object.